Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to log out Google account on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, logging out of your Google account prevents unauthorized access to your personal information, emails, contacts, and other sensitive data. It's especially crucial if you are using a shared or public device. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Begin by unlocking your device and locating the Settings app. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. So, in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Users and Account option. Tap on it to proceed. Within the Users and Account menu, you will see a list of accounts saved on your device. Okay, and look for the Google account you want to remove and tap on it. So, after selecting the Google account, you will see various options for managing the account and tap on the Remove Account option. So, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the account. So, tap Remove Account again to confirm and complete the process. Well, by following these steps, you can easily remove a Google account from your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to log out Google account on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.